Changing the tyre. Aggie supervises the boys changing the tyre on the Pajero as we return from a car trip to Kakadu.
This is what happened last time we were on this road. And now it's happened again. But luckily this time we've got 3 boys to fix it.
2. I'm not doing anything.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay.
What's that, Ryan?
So you only got 2 boys, I'm not doing anything.
Why not?
I'm lazy. I'm from the city, I don't know what to do.
Oh, me neither. I'm a girl.
I
I don't know how to fix broken tyre. Hello. The boys are going to fix it.
Chris.
You're on your own, boyfriend.
Yep.
We're all going to go and have a cocktail in the bush.
Margaritas this way.
Where?
Yeah, it's just your bits. And then that's just on this side. Should just pull straight out, man.
Show us the tyre, boys.
Shot.
Wow.
That's the bits we got, and then all down the road.
Look at that. What a mess. Give it a bit of a kick. Yeah, take that. And there's some bits down the road.
Okay, let's see if we can get the other one on there.
Pick him up.
Not very straight to me though.